Okay guys, this is going to be a test of my EST Genesis Chime Strobe with my Firelight BG10 pull station. This alarm is set to 15 candela, high volume, and code 3. So I'm going to go ahead and do the thing. It's not very loud, so this is a device they use in hospitals and places that a horn would be very startling and might mess up something very precise. This is a good close-up to it. As you can see, I have it set on 15 candela. This is the back of the alarm. And we're going to go ahead and reset this pull station. Sorry guys, I'm trying to reset this back. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.